Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Today's video is very interesting. Today we are going to learn shapes name in English. Are you ready? Let's start and repeat after me. Circle, circle, triangle, triangle, square, square, rectangle, rectangle, ellipse, ellipse, heart, heart, star, star, arrow, arrow, cross, cross, cylinder, cylinder, cube, cube, right triangle, right triangle, parallelogram, parallelogram, trapezoid, trapezoid, rhombus, rhombus, pentagon, pentagon, hexagon, hexagon, heptagon, heptagon, octagon, octagon, decagon, decagon. So dear students, we learn many shapes. Please like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.